So at the University of Stirling, nursing isn't just about learning how to care, it's about learning how to lead. And what makes Stirling unique is how intentionally we develop leadership in close partnership with our NHS colleagues.
I feel connected to the University of Stirling in terms of our partnership in developing our undergraduate people that will come and eventually work for NHS Forth Valley and our wider system.
I think it's important in nursing because it's always changing, and as we work with new nurses coming through, things are always going to change, and I think we'll be able to learn different experiences, different views, and we'll always be kept moving.
Leadership isn't something that students wait for. We lead real initiatives, student-led journal clubs, planning and delivering conferences, and they also are involved in design thinking projects that focus on real challenges in healthcare. And these experiences build confidence and help the students really understand the impact that they can have from the start of their career.
I think it's a real credit to the University of Stirling that they're taking the time to build that leadership capacity and capability and really invest in our undergraduate workforce.
Stirling nursing students tell us that they feel prepared, they feel confident and ready to transition into practice as newly qualified nurses and ready to lead from day one. So if you're deciding where to study nursing and you want to stand out and be the difference, choose Stirling. We don't just prepare nurses for practice, we prepare nurses to lead.